This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Sprawling 4-bedroom ranch in the heart of Castleton is an absolute dream with a fantastic floor plan featuring a large family room, formal dining room, formal living room/office west/doors to create a quiet space, a large eat-in kitchen and 4 spacious bedrooms including a primary bedroom west/walk-in closet, ensuite bath and private screened-in porch. The 2 other bedrooms are on the other side of the home and share a full bath. A half bath sits off the hallway near the laundry room. For more information, review the details below.